Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. So today I want to introduce the new SC-0251 Plus for you guys. Okay, the SAVOX SC-0251 is really the old version for the SAVOX. But this year, we upgrade to the SC-0251 Plus. We also upgrade the motors. So right now, the new Plus version, you can use in high voltage, which is 7.4 volt. So for this servo, the 7.4 volt will provide 0.15 second on the traveling angle and 25 kilogram, 347 ounce-inch on the torque. Already in the market. If you are interested, just contact with local distributor, or if you have any questions, just leave the message to us. Thank you.
What's the difference between the old version and the Plus version?
Oh, the old version and Plus version different. Main difference is we upgrade the motors. So right now, the Plus version can use in high voltage.
Can this servo work with 8.4 volts?
No. So this one is a DC servo. It only accepts to use a 7.4 volt in high voltage.
When will it be available?
And this servo already available in the market. We just running change to the upgrading. So right now, I believe in all servo in the market is a Plus version. So just contact with your local distributor. Thank you.